Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off comments on YouTube mobile. So first of all, you will just download the YouTube Studio from the App Store or the Android and simply just launch it. After, you will be just tap on the top right corner of profile icon as well. And as you can see, the settings option, I want to just get in, and you will see the first option is push notifications or choose your preferences. So I want to just tap on it, push notifications as well, and after you will see the comments. So right now I will just it will says that if you want to just push notifications off to update or go to your device settings. So I want to just tap on it as well, and I want to just allow it. And right now you will see I'm going to just tap on it comments and just tap on it turn off notifications to none. So in this way you will just have to turn on or off comments on YouTube mobile as well. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.